Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And I'm going to share with you the 3 new kits that are available in my online store for the month of April. For a minute there, I was like, what month are we in? So these are brand new, so you want to grab them when you can. And I thought it'd be fun for me to show them to you. Now, I'm not going to make them. You want to make sure you come back next week and I'll be making them. I just want to show you them today. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So, Santan Valley, is that what I say? Oh my gosh, Diana. It's been one of those days. So welcome to my channel. During the live video premiere, I will be in the chat room. So head on over there. That's where I'll be with my friends. And if you are watching the replay though, don't just leave a comment down below. YouTube will let me know and then I can reach out to you. All right, so let's get started. So these UPS just brought them right now. So I haven't even taken them out of the box. So anyway, so let's get started. So close your eyes just for a second while I get my camera adjusted. 3 new kits. All right, so let's see here. So this is the Loveliest Wishes kit. And then this is the one that it was hard to see what it looked like in the picture because I posted the pictures. Was it Monday? Is that the first? It was kind of hard to see in the picture, like what they were. So this should help. Let me get this. All right. So it looks like there's some gold flecks on there. These are all so textured. It almost feels like watercolor paper. That's the vibes it's giving me. Now, I don't think it is, but that's kind of the vibes it's giving me. All right. So again, this is the Loveliest Wishes kit. And it makes 3 cards, and you're making 3 of each one. So here's the directions. Now, like I said, I'm just showing you the kit. I'm not making the stuff today. I'll make that next week. So it does come with some dimensionals, some glue dots, and some little gold blings. So you've got some, cause see the texture on that? It's very cool, but it's smooth on the back side. So you've just got some different pieces, your envelopes. And then there's some smaller envelopes. So see that? There's like 2 sizes of envelopes. And this is when I usually mess everything up because they're all assorted like they should be. And then I get in there and I get them all messed up. All right, so here's your cards. And then you have these really pretty gold foiled greetings. So happy birthday wishes, cheers. Okay. And then you've got some more cards. So you've got some square cards and regular size cards. And then, so here, remember I was saying it looked like it had vellum, and sure enough, there are these really pretty little vellum pieces that they have been watercolored. And then some pop-out ones that the greetings are probably going to go on to. And then there's a little bit of tissue just to kind of protect the vellum. And then these look like they will overlap those vellum pieces. Now this is just me guessing because I have not made them, but look how fun that kit is. I think I really am gonna enjoy that one. All right, so that was the Loveliest. Did I say? Oh my gosh. Where's the thing? Loveliest Wishes is that one. Now I'm going to stick it back in the box so that everything is in there. And then next week, come back and I will be making the kits. All right, so let me show you the next kit. Now this is the Essential Occasions kit. And so when I saw the picture of this one, I was like, this one didn't do as much for me as the other one, but now that I see these, they look so much nicer in person than they did in the picture. So I'm glad I got this kit, because I was like, well, I could just show you the photo, you know, and not really get the kit. But I'm like, no, I'm going to get all the kits. So you've got your tear tape. But look how cool this is. It's just water, like painted. So you've got some grapefruits, some roses, and it's got the really cute little craft envelopes. So you've got, so this makes, where's my instructions? So this makes, so this only makes 6 cards, and they do not repeat. So you're only making 1 of each kind. All right, so here's the card bases and the cute little grapefruits. I'm calling them grapefruits because it kind of gives me that vibe. And then your party. You've got your dimensionals, some more of that craft paper with some designs on it. So you've got some, looks like 4th of July or birthday celebrations. And you've got your craft-like cards, your greetings. Now this one doesn't have any stamps. This one is all, oh, this is really cool, right? So this is got all of the greetings are already done. You just have to put your cards together. All right, so that was the essential occasions. And then the first kit might have been the same way, right? Like, I don't remember seeing a stamp on that one either. So I think that one also was a non-stamping kit. All right, and then the third and the last kit, ooh, I just banged my camera. That's not good. All right, so the last kit is the really fun bouquet. So this is, like, could I hit my camera anymore? Oh my gosh, Diana. All right, so this is the paper bouquet kit. And so you've got these really cool, these are actually like florist, floral doohickeys. And these flowers are going to go on there. All right, so let's see. I'm just going to pull this out before I mess with this, because I don't know if I necessarily want to pull all this apart till I go to make it. Because see, it looks like we've got a lot of really delicate paper in there. Like it almost looks like streamer paper. Does that make sense? Like it kind of gives me that streamer feel, because it's really, really cool. So it's going to allow you to mold these flowers. So see how fun they are. So these look like, this right here looks like the center of these flowers. So it's a real fine, yeah, so it's like this stuff. So I can't wait to put this together. So this might have to be Teach Me Tuesdays, because this one might take a little bit. Now, I definitely would not be making the whole thing. So this might have to be my Teach Me Tuesdays. And then my mimeograph Monday with a twist, I could do one. And then maybe my dies shorts will be the quicker one. So maybe like all next week, I'll do all these kits. What do you think? All right, so let me say, see you later. Look at this cute little shirt. Oh, I just think it is adorable. I just think it is so fun. I love the color. It's like basic gray and pretty in pink, soft sea foam, pool party, pumpkin or pecan pie. It's got all of the Stampin' Up colors in it. All right. So I just had to show off my new shirt. I'm not one for these collars, but I do like this collar because I think it's down enough that it's not like choking me. But anyways, all right, so yeah, so next week I'll be showing these kits. All right, so let me know what you think. Let me know if you ordered these, if you got them already and have been playing with them. If you have any questions at all, make sure you reach out. Have a super great weekend. I will see you Monday for my mimeograph Monday with a twist. That will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday. All right, bye for now.